Now I'm going to tell about some basic concepts in JavaScript. The first one is variables. A variable is nothing but a container that holds a value. And here variables can be of three ways. Like we can declare them in three ways using var, let, and constant. By using a var keyword, the variable can be reassigned or redeclared. But using let, we can't redeclare, but we can reassign a value for it. And var is meant to be function scoped, and let is meant to be block scoped. And by using constant, uh, we can't reassign or redeclare it. It is constant, we can't change it. And here is the code. And the next topic is arrays. Arrays is nothing but collection of different, like multiple objects of the same data type. Here we can see multiple methods like creation, accessing, modifying, adding or removing elements. Like we can add or remove from beginning, end, like that. And we can also find the length of an array using dot length, and we can perform loops on arrays and checking whether the element is present in the given array or not, and also finding the particular element index. And also we can slice the array like from some index to some index, like we can extract that part. And splicing can also be done in array, like we can add or remove some set of elements. Here is the code for all this. And the next topic is objects. Objects commonly defined to be instances, like uh, they are um, used to store collections and key value pairs, and like it makes easier to manipulate or organize the data. Here is the code for see like defining objects, and we have to return them, and we can print them using print statement. And the next topic is loops. There are different loops in JavaScript, five different loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, for in loop, and for of loop. For loop is the most commonly used loop in JavaScript, and like it returns a specific uh, uh, number of iterations of a code. And here is the syntax. And while loop executes as long as the condition remains true, same as in C and other languages. And do while loop, like uh, do while loop executes if the condition is false, initially false, it executes at least once. And for of loop, it is used to iterate over the properties of an object. And for of loop, the for of loop, um, like it is used to iterate over iterable objects like arrays, strings, maps, etc. Uh, like unlike for in loop, it works directly with the values of the iterable. And, and the next topic is functions. Like functions are block of code that are designed to perform a particular task, and they execute mainly when something is invoked. Like we have to return them, and functions can be defined in various ways. Like JavaScript mainly treats them as first class objects. Here is the syntax for function declaration. First, we declare a function and return it, and then we call the function. And here is the syntax. Like we can also pass arguments in functions. Thank you.